Today, we're gonna teach you how to make food. First, you cut the wordles. How do you say that in English? The carrots, yes. First, you cut carrots in little circles, just like this. So, when you have your circle carrots, you move on to the next vegetable. It's the zucchini. Ou is a courgette? The zucchini? Yes, courgette. You also cut it in the half. And then like chick. Half a inch, yeah. So you cut it in the half. And you cut like this. It's very nice, it's very good. We'll keep on cutting and we'll get to the next vegetable. Now we take the onion and we cut it very good, very nice. Very good, very nice. Very good, very nice. You cut in the middle, like that. And then you turn it around and you cut it. Very good. Like this. Yes. It's gonna be perfect. So now we have our other vegetables. The last one will be a potato. This potato, you cut it in little squares, but not too big and not too small. You have to be very gentle and cut it very good. So it's cooked very well into the water, boiling. It's gonna boil very good, very nice. Oh, some potato fell. I got the potato. So of course, after you cut the potatoes, you put a little bit of salt and cook it.
Cook it, bitch.
Cook it, bitch. Slap the meat if you want to, but that's for afterwards. Dun, dun, dun. So don't forget your vegetables. You have to steam them. Steam them and mix them. It has to be all together.
Steam. So much water.
Too much water, but it's all good.
So much.
It's all very nice. Let's go! Pepper. Don't forget the pepper. The condiments. And then cook it. Cook it till it's done. Alright, and your meat, you have to cook it real good with some onions and some oil.
Garlic.
Garlic, thank you.
Garlic. Anti-vampire.
Thank you.
Thank you. Come again.
And now you let it cook. Let it get all good, very nice with the fire. Cookie until it's done. Later on, we're gonna go to the plates and the dressing. Let's go. What's in this powder?
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg?
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg. So you add a little bit of that and also a little butter, but it's back in the fridge. There it goes. Butter. And you add it to the potatoes. And then of course you stamp. Okay. So at the very end, you put a little eggy, but just the yellow stuff. The yolk. Yolk. And then you stamp. Okay, Laura, what do you do next? The potatoes done?
Potatoes are done.
Potatoes are done. A little bit on the plate. Look. Nice. Okay. Of course, don't forget to put on the meat. And some onions too, of course. It's really tasteful. Really tasteful. Put it on. And the meat. There we go. En dan de Norma stoofpotje. Wil je bij een bordje? Moet je de rent? Let's go. And there you have it. This beautiful, beautiful dish. Tasty, nah? Tasty.